Hello friends, today we'll see how to calculate the square of any number within seconds. By following these steps, you can calculate the square of any number. Many of you might be doing simple multiplication to calculate the square of bigger numbers. So let's see how to calculate it easily. We have to remember four things. First, the square of number till 25. For example, the square of 13 is 169, the square of 17 is 289, the square of 19 is 361, and many more. Second step, we need to know the base of the number for which we have to calculate the square of. Later on I will let you know how to calculate the base of any number. Third step and the fourth step are the addition and subtraction skills that you must know, because while calculating the square of bigger numbers, you might not do calculation on your paper and pen. You might do it orally. So let's proceed. First of all, we will see how to calculate the square of numbers till from 1 to 50. So first step, we need to know how to calculate the base. So the base for any number from 25 to 75. So let's take example of 48. So the numbers falling in the range between 25 to 75, their base is 50. For the base for 48 is 50. Next step, how much is the number less than the base or greater than the base? So how much is 48 is less than 50? It is -2. In third step, we will multiply the base by 50 upon 100. It means the base 50 must be multiplied by 1 upon 2. We will get 25. And to generalize this, we can say multiply the base by base upon 100. Later on I will let you know what this thing means. The fourth step, subtract the difference of the numbers which we got in step 2 from BD. The number obtained 25 will give this name as BD. So the number obtained in step 2, which is -2, we will subtract this from BD. 25 minus 2, we will get 23. The last step, just calculate the square of the number obtained in step 2. We obtained -2 in step 2, so we will calculate its square, which is 4. So we will not write just 4, we will write 04 in 2 digits. Okay. The square must be written in the following manner: xy and AB. Let's see what is xy and what is AB. AB, the square of the number, its last 2 digits. For example, the square of the number 2 was 4. So we'll write 04. And here what we'll write? Fourth step result. What we obtained in fourth step was 23. Okay, adding with the numbers that we got in excess of the squares of the number. It means to say, if we obtain the square of any number which is of 3 digit. For example, if the square of the number 10 is 100, so we will write the last 2 digit as AB, and we will carry 1 and add to xy. So here the result of the fourth step was 23. So if the square was exceeding, it was of 3 digits, so we will just write the 2 digit and add 1 to the result obtained in step 4, which is 23. So here the case is not like that, so we will just write 23 and it's our answer. 2304. Many of you might be wondering that all these steps take a lot of time, but believe me, if you are good at this, you will just do it in seconds. Let's take another example. We'll take another number, for example 39. The base for 39 is 50. Its base derivative is 25. Okay, so we will see how much is 39 less than 50. It is -11. We will subtract this -11 from 25. We will get 16. Sorry, we will get 14. After this, we will need to calculate the square of 11, which is 21. So we'll just write 21 here and we'll add 1 to 14. We will get 1521. It's pretty much easy. Next step, let's take 43. The base for 43 is 50, base derivative 25. How much is 43 less than 50? It is minus 7. Subtract 7 from 25, we'll get 18. And the square root of 7 is 49. We'll just write 49. So you can see how much easy it is. Let's take another number. For example, we will take 47. The base for 47 is 50. Base derivative is 25. We'll see how much is 47 less than 50. It is minus 3. We'll subtract this 3 from base derivative 25. We will get 22. And just write the square of 3, which is 09. If the square is coming one digit, we will try to make it in two digit just by adding a 0 to it. So we have got our answer as 2209. Take another number, for example 33. The base for 33 is 50. Base derivative is 25. Just see how much 33 is less than 15. It is minus 17. Subtract 17 from 25. What we'll get? We'll get 8. And what's the square of 17? It's 289. So we'll just write 89 here and add 2 here. We'll get 1089. And that's the answer. Let's take another number. 36. The base for 36 is 50. Base derivative 25. How much is 36 less than 15? It's 14. We'll subtract 14 from 25. We'll get 11. After that, the square of 14 is 196. We will write 96 here and add 1 to 11. We'll get 1296, and that's the answer. Thank you for today. I hope you understood everything.